I crawl away back to my home, back to the dark where I feel safe, longing for home. I brace the cold, I take the pain, embrace it. It can rain all the time. Sometimes the sun shines through, breaks the clouds, gives us a break. Frozen in fear, I cannot think. My fear is unrealized. Now I can breathe again. The fire has burned out, ashes all that remains, killed by love. What a twisted fate. It can rain all the time. Sometimes the sun shines through, breaks the clouds, gives us a break. Lonely nights, I find myself longing for the ghosts in my head, and they comfort me. I live in constant pain, but as the crows say,